favor that I need to ask. I was hoping maybe there's a chance that you could pull some strings for me. Well, dear Santa, I got a girl who's at the top of my list, and all she wants this year is just one gift for me to get down on one knee. Dear Santa, I've been working hard all year, trying to be good, spreading Christmas cheer. Been saving every dime in a mason jar, hoping that I had enough to win her heart. I'm coming up short and I'm getting scared that she is gonna wake up thinking I don't care. So if by chance if you're just out and about, Santa, could you help me out? That diamond ring don't have to cost too much, just something small, a token of my love, so I can make her mine tonight. Well, dear Santa, I sure do hope and pray you hear my plea, and there's something shiny underneath that tree before she says goodbye to me. Dear Santa,